Hey you guys, namaste. Welcome to CMD Alpha. In this video, I explained how to apply, how to registration for central government internship, that is PM internship registration process. I explained in this video. In previous video, I explained eligible details and stipend details and other important details of PM internship schemes. So first of all, I will explain this intro again. So PM internship scheme offerings internships for especially any category, any field interested students like software, banking, or your related field like tourism and any photography internships like sales internships. So many types of fields internship they are offering and companies also like top companies like HR and DMart and Google, Samsung, Apple and Zerodha. So these type of companies, multiple companies are interested to provide internship for especially students. So this main aim for internship was for this financial year 2024-2025. Government decided to, so already they analyzed the companies almost in India almost 30 crore jobs or vacancies are there, but why they didn't hide means but company wants skilled persons. That skilled persons are not matched to these type of roles. So government made a one decision. So we will provide like that skills experience in the name of internship. Then students easily get a jobs with their fields. So government decided that these internships will give a experience in that field, and then students easily get in a job. So that's purpose they are offering internship in their various companies. So in this way, I told everything in the previous video. So that video links also provided in the description. Please watch it that one, okay? And now this video I explained the registration steps. So this is the official website. So before entering about this internship details, candidates who are watching first time for this channel, please subscribe this channel. If you satisfy this video information, please don't forget to click on the like button and also share this valuable information to your friends, relatives and your online connection. One more thing, one of our channel subscribers selected to scholarship and tested in comment section. I'm very happy because of watching my videos selected for this scholarship. In future, any subscriber or student is selected because of watching my videos, please test in comment section. I will also happy, and I also upload in our YouTube community channel. Okay, don't forget that thing. And one more thing, this is very important for these students, so don't forget it and share it. Okay, this is the official website, so I will provide the link in the description. Please click on it and come this website. This is the home page. So after click on it, so please come to the, don't scroll down, this is the register now button. Please click on it. After click on the register now button, you can get this one details like your mobile details. Enter your mobile number. Before entering your mobile number, here mentioned must and should you link your mobile number with the Aadhaar, then only you can proceed to submit. Okay, so here mention I confirm that the mobile number I am providing is linked to my Aadhaar. Okay, select this one and click on submit. After submitting this, you can get a OTP for your registered mobile. Please enter it here. After OTP submitting, you can get this type of update password. Here current password. So that current password send it to your registered mobile number. So enter this current password and create your own password, that is new password, and confirm the new password. Okay. After creating password, please click on submit button. After creating password, you can enter candidate profile. So here the important points, because here only register our or enter our personal details and contact details and educational details, bank details, skills and languages. Here's the important details here we can enter here. So don't do any mistake. Okay, carefully upload your details. So once to one or more the times check it your details. Okay, in case any mistakes you had done, so definitely application will be that means given upon your details here, resume prepared automatically. So that resume send it to companies, that companies watch your resume. So in case your resume matches to that company profiles or company rules, definitely that company offers internship for you. Okay, so don't do any mistakes here. Okay, and this is the first one you can see, and before that one, this is the candidate profile. Like this one, candidate profile provided like 6 things and internship opportunities. After filling candidate profile, so based upon our eligibilities, internship opportunities displayed in this domain. Okay, after candidate profile completed, we can check internship opportunities. Okay, first of all, we can see Aadhaar based eKYC. After click on proceed further, you can enter here your Aadhaar number and are tested like here provided this test enter. So in case this test structure you didn't see, you can click also try another one. Okay, and then next click on the next button. After entering your other details, OTP sent it to your register mobile. Please enter here the register mobile. Here please enter this here OTP and proceed to click on continue. After click on the continue button, then you can get this type of detail, that is you are already registered with digital locker. So this is a digital locker security pin asking here. You already registered, please enter your digital locker security 6-digit security pin. In case you didn't register in a digital locker website, actually it is a Aadhaar card details stored in DigiLocker. So students or persons already registered in DigiLocker, please enter a 6-digit security. In case who didn't register here, please visit website, official website, and register, and you can get a security pin, and that security pin here entered. In case you already registered but you didn't remember this 6-digit security pin, so you can generate once again for the click on forgot security pin and generate it, and after enter here, and then you proceed to click on the continue button.
After entering security pin, some details are came displayed based upon your DigiLocker store. So and then next you need to enter email ID. So after entering email ID, so then click to proceed to next one. Okay.
After entering your email ID, you can get a OTP for your registered email ID. Please enter here and click on the submit button. After verifying your email ID, mobile number, and generated security, that means digital locker security pin, so then you can get this type of details. Especially these details are asking for Prime Minister Internship Scheme application purpose. These documents are asking for allowing permissions. So these documents like Aadhaar card, PAN card, and driving license you already register or upload in DigiLocker. The documents are literally related to link up with the Prime Minister Internship application. For further details, no need to worry. So please click on the allow button. Okay, here provided. Please click on allow. After click on the allow button, so you can get your personal details what have registered in your Aadhaar number. That details like photo as it is Aadhaar details are came here. So like your photo and a candidate name, date of birth, and category, and here mentioned permanent detail, permanent address. So you can enter here, and also current address also here mentioned. Enter here. Is there a current address or permanent address is same? So click on the yes. Okay. Then it is a different. So you can enter the both details. Okay. In case student or any person or disability, please mention your options. Okay. And after fulfilling these details, please click on the save and next button. After click on the save and next button, now you can enter to contact details. We completed eKYC details and personal details. Now we need to complete contact details. So enter your registered mobile number and alternate mobile number. In case we have any alternate mobile, we can also proceed to enter here, and email ID. So after email ID enter, so please click on the send OTP. So that OTP generated to your email ID. So enter here email that OTP and verify OTP. After verify OTP and save and next button is active. So please click on save and next button. Okay. Before that one, in case we have any queries about previous details for rectify and correct it purpose, please click it and edit that detail and correct it. Okay.
After completed contact details, then you enter the skills and languages. In that section, you need to enter your skills. First one is my skills. In that box, you can enter your skills, what you have. And next to languages, what your languages you know, and experience. In case you have any past experience, enter and wrote what type of experience and how many years experience. So right here. And then next additional certificates. In case you have any additional certificate, please enter a box. So in case don't have, please click no. Okay. And also upload certificate. In case we have certificate, so upload here, choose file and upload your certificate. And the next one, others. In case we have any other qualifications like any other experience, and so you can also write further some more details about how you are interested in this internship. Okay. And finally you click on the box, right click, and then to complete your profile. This is the PM internship registration application process. After successfully complete your profile, you can also check your application preview. In that application preview, any mistakes had done, please rectify it and correct it. Okay. And edit option is also available. Okay.